So hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel World Class Facts. My name is Sajid Anwar and you're watching 2Cellos another video. So watch this video till the end and make sure to subscribe this channel, like this video and share this video with your friends. So let's get started. This video is captured by 2Cello group member Dawson, who is a drummer of 2Cello group. He captured this video during his flight from aeroplane. He captured the Perth state of Australia. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, then hit the like button for sure and don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more these kind of videos and update quick notification. So guys, see you soon in next video. Till that, bye bye, take care of yourself, your loved ones and people around you. Stay smile, stay blessed, stay smiley and stay happy forever.